I just want to take this opportunity to remind you that Christmas 2021, the holiday seasons for 2021, this winter is coming. Here we are in approaching mid-October, and a few more months it'll be the holiday season of December time frame. One of the things that I want to do for you is give you an opportunity to build your own holiday revolving Christmas tree. And I guess the best way to do that is to give you enough time so that you can do this yourself, so that by the time the holiday rolls in, your tree is ready to be decorated. And I have done videos on how to do your own Christmas tree in the past couple of years. A little bit more complicated because you're using power tools and you're transforming wood from a square to a circle. I want to give you the opportunity, if you have minimal tools, maybe just a saw, either a hand saw or an electric drill, I can show you how to make your own holiday tree much simpler. It'll be slightly different than what's shown here. It will not be round, you won't have round shells, but you will have square shells. But once you start decorating your shells with garland and little villages, it's going to be very minor noticing that your shells are square rather than round. And who says that a holiday revolving tree has to have round shells versus square shells? So with the basic tools you should have at home now, and buying materials from a local big box store like Home Depot, Menards, Lowe's, etc., you should be able to do this yourself. I'm going to show you the simplest way of doing this, so but at least you end up with a tree that either, if you want to spend the money for a revolving tree, it'll revolve, or if you want to just put it in a stationary tree stand, so be it. But again, this is a basic, and I mean basic, method of making your own tree if you wish to, and I want to show you in sequential steps on how to do that. So give me a thumbs up if you're interested so I can see your interest, and I'm going to issue or start to issue video series within the next coming weeks to show the step-by-step methods of doing this. Again, hopefully you have this done in time, so by the time the holiday seasons roll around, you'll be ready to decorate and you'll be ready to decorate and display your holiday revolving tree. Now I'm looking for thumbs up. If I don't get any, I assume that you're not interested and I'm not going to pursue this project. But if you are, give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye.